How do I use Opta data in JSON or Excel? Imagine having a treasure chest of detailed soccer statistics at your fingertips. Now, think about how you can unlock that treasure using the right tools. That's what we're here to explore today. When working with Opta data, the first step is understanding that it provides comprehensive soccer information into main formats, JSON and Excel. These formats are like different languages for organizing data, making it easier for computers to read and analyze. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is popular because it's simple and easy to work with in many programming languages. Excel, or Extensible Markup Language, is more verbose but great for complex data structures and validation through schemas. To access Opta data, you usually get it through Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, which deliver live match events, player stats, and other details. These APIs let you choose the format you want, either JSON or Excel, when you make a request. You can also load local files if you have downloaded data in either format. When you choose JSON, parsing the data is straightforward. Most programming languages have built-in functions or libraries to convert JSON strings into objects or dictionaries. For example, in Python, you'd use the JSON module and call JSON loads to turn raw data into usable data structures. Excel parsing is a bit different. You'll need an Excel parser like Elementary in Python or Nokogiri in Ruby. These tools help you navigate the nested elements, extract attributes, and understand the hierarchy of the data. One key thing to remember is that Opta data often uses IDs and codes instead of names. For example, a team might be represented by a team ID and an event by an event ID. To interpret these, you'll need the documentation or mapping files from Opta that explain what each ID means. This step is essential for making your analysis meaningful. There are also libraries designed specifically for working with Opta data. The Soccer Action package in Python offers an Opta loader class that can load JSON or Excel files directly into Pandas data frames. This makes it easier to perform statistical analysis or create visualizations. If you prefer working in Ruby, the Opta gem provides API clients that let you request data in your preferred format and customize your queries. Once you have your data parsed and understood, you can do all sorts of things. You could build detailed soccer dashboards, analyze event sequences like passes or shots, or even feed the data into machine learning models to predict player performance. For complex Excel files, you might need to understand the schema provided by tools like Alteryx or custom scripts can help map Excel paths to database columns, making it easier to store and query the data later. In summary, working with Opta data in JSON or Excel involves accessing the data feeds, selecting your preferred format, parsing the data with the right tools, interpreting the coded IDs with Opta's documentation, and then applying that data to your soccer analysis projects. JSON is usually easier for programming and analysis, but Excel can be useful when schema validation or handling complex structures is necessary. Using libraries like Soccer Action and Opta simplifies many of these steps, making it easier to turn raw Opta data into meaningful insights.